students, today we going to discuss about chapter 7 triangles. Exercise 7.2. Here first question that tells about ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we can draw an isosceles triangle. Mark it as A, B, C. What is the specialty of isosceles triangle? Any two sides become equal. We can mark AB side and AC side are equal. Then next what they are telling? They are telling AB and AC are equal side of that triangle. Bisector of angle B and angle C. Bisector means angle B is cutting and angle C also cutting by a line. Both the two lines are intersected at a point. That's why here bisector of a B, bisector of a C, both are intersecting point mark an alphabet O. Then join A2. Afterwards they telling join A to O. So join A to O. Then two cases we want to prove what they ask. One asking one first case is OB and OC are equal. Same way we can say OA is the bisector O. That means A angle is OA line is cutting our angle A. Bisector of angle A means this angle is cut by a OA line. That is the meaning of this question. First given instruction we want here for geometry proving what are the steps given to prove construction proof. Here extra constructions are not there. That's why given to prove proof. 3 steps enough. Given the first step is given case what we can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That first matter we can write isosceles triangle. Then which are the sides are equal? AB side and AC side are equal. Then next what they are telling there angle B and angle C are bisecting. Bisect means they are cutting by which side here. That's why by cutting angle B and angle C are cutting that time we get other angles which are there OBC and OCB. Same top also OBA and OCA, these angles also become equal. Why? Because OB and OC are bisecting by the angle B and angle C. That is the reason. That's why we can say angle OBC angle and is equal to right side OCB angle are OCB angle are equal. Same way top case OBA angle and OBA angle is equal to OCA angle. In this reason angle B and angle C are bisect. That's why we write it like this. They are bisect. That is the reason. These are the information given in the question. So next step what we want to do? To prove. Second step is to prove. What they ask to prove? Two cases. What are the two cases? First case bisecting line OB and bisecting line OC we want to prove they are equal. Second case what we want to prove? Then OA line, this line OA line bisected angle C. So angle A and OA line bisecting cutting our angle A also. These are the two things we required for proving. So third step is what is our third step? Here construction not there. That's why directly we can go through a proof case. Proof case how we can start? We can consider our triangle ABC triangle. What are the information we can say? AB side is equal to AC side. It is given in the question. That's why earlier we learned the property equal side opposite angle also become equal. Which are the opposite angle of AB and AC? B and C are the all. That's why we can write angle B and angle C are equal. Reason we can write opposite equal and equal sides equal sides, opposite angles are equal. That property here we apply. Then next process, multiply half on both sides. That means take half of angle B and take half of angle C. Here what we for getting that answer, we want to do like that. Take half on the both side of angle B and half of angle B means what here? Half of angle B you divide into two angles. Already we written in the given place. That matter once we can write what are the angles we will getting angle BOC. Half of angle B means it equal to angle OBC is equal to OCB. Next top part angle is angle OBA is equal to angle OCA. There we can mark an equation 1. That's why what we can say, OB side is equal to OB line and OC line are equal. Why we directly telling like that? Why? Because equal angle opposite sides are equal. Equal angle, which are equal angle? Angle B, angle C. Equal angle opposite side, which are the opposite side? OB and OC side. So reason we can write it as equal angles. Same reverse also, equal angles opposite sides are equal. That property here we apply. That's why OB and OC are. So first part completed. Here OB is equal to OC. That part come. Next what we want to prove that OA is the bisector of angle C. Second part how to prove that one? Second part same. See OA belongs in which triangle? We can consider AOB triangle and AOC triangle. There OA line is including. That's why for proving that thing, second part to proving, we consider that triangle. Which triangle? AOB triangle and a triangle AOC triangle. Any three here conditions we want to apply. What are the conditions we can say? Already in that two triangle, AB side is equal there. AB is equal to AC side. It is given in the question. Then next what we can say, here which are the angles they making already using first equation. We can take it as OBA angle and OBC angle are equal by using first equation. OBA angle is equal to angle OCA angle using equation 1 using and right. Same way using equation 3, OB and OC side of that two triangle also become equal. OB side is equal to OC side using which equation? Equation 2 using and filling. So we get to three conditions. That's why which property has satisfying 6 elementary elements are there for a two triangle in a triangle. Then in that 6 3 are completed there. 3 elementary part we want to prove. So 3 conditions are completed. That's why the two triangles are congruent under which property? 2 side and the including angle means which property? SAS property. Therefore we can write it as which triangle we consider? AOB and triangle. Here I am going to write here, no space there. That's why here I am writing here. That's why we can say triangle AOB is congruent to our second triangle is triangle AOC. But they are congruent by which property? SAS property. By CPCT what we can say here? OA side is common. OA is the third side of this two triangles. So we can write OA equal OA by CP. Why? Because already we proved that two triangles are equal. So corresponding part of that congruent triangle, third side OA are common for AOB triangle and AOC triangle. They also become that OA line is equal means what we can say, that line bisect our which angle? Angle A. So we can say it bisecting A. So bisecting time it to form which angle? OAB angle OAB is equal to angle OAC. Angle OAC. Therefore, we can say angle O bisect which angle? Bisect angle. That's why angle divide into two equal angle, which are the OAB and OAC. And I hope you can understand this problem. Next step. This is our proof case. Next we go through second question. Second question how to prove, and then next question one isosceles, one triangle. They mentioned about that one triangle case. Then in this way they given that. Second question, one triangle is there. ABC is the triangle. So we can mark ABC as the triangle. Then AD is the perpendicular bisector. So we can draw from A to BC side one perpendicular bisector AD. Perpendicular means it to make how much degree? 90 degree. What we want to prove, that means this ABC triangle is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles specialty, any two sides become equal. So which sides become equal? We want to prove AB side and AC side are equal. That is the meaning of the second question. So what are the three cases given to prove a proof? So first we start with the given. In given case, in question what information they given? They just given us a triangle. This that information only. The which type of triangle not mentioned. They just given triangle ABC. And AD is perpendicular to which side? Perpendicular symbol. Reverse of the T represent as a not always perpendicular spelling it not, but that symbol. AD is perpendicular to which side? BC side. Then that's why here perpendicular, there perpendicular bisect into two equal sides, which are the side. That's why we can say BD and DC are bisect. Perpendiculars draw in time, it divide BC line into two another equal sides which line, which are the BD and BC side. Then next case to prove. Second step. What we want to prove? We want to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles specialty, AB side is equal to AC. So we want to prove AB and AC side are, we want to prove. Here not given there. Then third step, proof. How to prove this case? We are here AD perpendicular drawing time, it divide ABC triangle into how many triangle? Two triangle. Which are they? ADB triangle, ADC triangle. That two triangle take any three conditions apply and prove that the two triangle are congruent triangle by that property. One property, which property satisfy means that property, right? By CP/CT we can say AB and AC side are equal. They are the corresponding part of the two triangle. That's why triangle ABC is that AB and AC are equal means we can say ABC is an isosceles triangle. So that is our. So we can take a triangle here. Which are the triangle? ABD and a triangle ACD. Three conditions. What we can say? Here AD line is common. Here AD in ADB triangle case also AD line. ADC triangle case also AD line is there. So we can write AD is equal to AD. They are a common side of that two triangle. Next what we can say? Angle D is common for both triangles. So angle wise write in there. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. D vertex make how much degree? 90 degree. Then next what already they given a perpendicular cut the BC side into two equals, which are they? So BD side of the first triangle and DC side of the second triangle are equal. It is given in the question. Therefore it is satisfying which proper. So three conditions completed. Therefore our required triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by which property? Two side and one angle represent as a SAS property. So by CPCT what we can say with respect to ABD, third side is AB. AD and BD side completed. Remaining which side? Remaining AB side. So AB side of the first triangle is equal to second triangle case also AD side completed. DC side also completed. Remaining which side is remaining there? AC side of the second triangle are equal. By which in which way we write? By CP. So that's why we can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. I hope you can understand this second question. Then next we go to third question. In third question, what they tells means here one triangle is there. They informed that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Already they telling that here one triangle is there. ABC is the triangle. It is an isosceles. It is given in the course isosceles specialty. Two sides are equal. AB side and AC side are equal. Then next they given us from B vertex draw a perpendicular to AC side. From B vertex draw a perpendicular altitude draw to the AC side. There you can cutting mark it as an alphabet E. Perpendicular means they make how much degree? 90 degree. From C vertex also they make draw a perpendicular to which side? AB side. Altitude of perpendicular bisector means they make how much? 90. There you can mark it as an alphabet F. So here we can mark it as E and this place mark it as F. What they are saying that prove that BE altitude and CF perpendiculars are equal. We want to prove. How to prove this one? Here also first we can find out the two triangles. How to get the two triangles? See in this diagram we can able to see two triangles. Which are they? ABE is a first triangle, one triangle. Next ACF is a second triangle. These two triangle consider any three conditions. Which are the three conditions? A angle is common for both triangle. In ACF triangle A angle is there. In ABE triangle also angle A is there. So angle A is common for both triangle. Next E angle and F angle of the second triangle make how much degree? 90 degree. Second condition. Third condition already they given AB side of the first triangle, AC side are equal. That's why here they are isosceles already there. So three conditions satisfied. Two angle and one side represent as which property? ASA property. By CPCT what we can say? First triangle with respect to first triangle third side EF is equal to the next side of the second triangle, that which is the side CF side are equal. So by CPCT we can say that's why altitude BF, BE and CF are equal. So first we start. How to start a given case? What are the information they given? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. It is given as an isosceles triangle. Then next what we can say here isosceles triangle specialty AB side and AC side are equal. Next information they given as here BE is BE is perpendicular to which side? BE is perpendicular to AC side and CF is perpendicular to AB side. These are the information they given. Next step, which is the next step? To prove. What we want to prove? Here we want to prove that B is equal to CF. Both altitude become equal. Then proof. How to prove that one? Here we consider two. Which are the two triangle we consider? Triangle ABE and a second triangle ACF triangle. ABE and second triangle ACF triangle. What are the information? A angle is common for here see A angle is common, that's why angle wise writing time. BAE angle of the first triangle, BAE angle of the first triangle and CAF angle of the second triangle are equal. Why? Because angle A is common angle for both triangle. Next, what we can say here angle, which angle? E angle and F angle are 90 degrees. So angle wise reading time AEB angle. Angle AEB angle is equal to angle CFB and CFA angle. They make a F and E make a how much degree? F and E angle they make how much degree? 90 degree. Perpendiculars, that's why they make a 90. Then one more condition. What is the next condition? We can say already they given a AB side of the first triangle is AC side of the second triangle are equal. They are equal already given. Why? Because they are equal. They are isosceles triangle. That's why the two sides are equal. It is given in the question. So what we can conclude, the three conditions are satisfied. So we can say that triangle ABE, any order we can take it, is congruent to triangle ACF by which property? ASA property. By CPCT, what we can say here with respect to first triangle, BE side of the first triangle and with respect to second triangle, CF side are equal by CPCT. Hence we prove this case. BE and CF are the altitude, they become equal. I hope you can understand this problems. Remaining problems we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.